Hey guys, Jay here for Found Sound. Got a quick little extra one for you. We had yesterday the brand new Morel Virtus Nano coaxial speakers arrive. I know they've only just been released. I'm pretty sure they're only brand new worldwide. So, go do an unboxing, have a look at them and give them a good suss out. Let's go. Alright, cool. So, Morel Virtus Nano coaxials only just landed, so let's see what we've got. Ooh, that's cool. Carbon fiber cones. So we've done a couple of sets of the Virtus Nano components, which are the splits version of this, so using the same components. Oh, that's really cool. And they actually sound really quite nice for the depth of the speaker. It's actually quite crazy. The one thing that I love about these is 17mm mounting depth. So that means a piece of 18mm, it doesn't protrude through the rear. So you can get that to mount so flush. Really cool for a lot of old cars where there's like no space whatsoever. That's a really cool looking driver. So what do we got? They are 100 RMS and 300 peak, 87 dB efficient. It's alright. Frequency response 50 Hz to 22K. That's pretty reasonable. Obviously neodymium magnet in there, the carbon fiber cone, and 17mm mounting depth. So that's a pretty cool driver. Grab one of these crossovers out and have a look at that. So yes, they are a coaxial, but they are, like I said, the same components that are in the split. So you obviously get a crossover because they run exactly the same way as they would as a split anyway. It's quite nice, and they've got some level adjustment in there for the tweeter. Very clean. Cool. So, well, there they are. Can't wait to get them in a car and give them a shot, see what they sound like. But we've got a couple of pairs of them in stock, so I'm sure it's going to happen. Alright, sweet. Thanks guys, I'll see you next time.